We laugh at dogs getting excited when they hear a bark on TV, but if TV was a non-stop stream of unintelligible noises, and then someone suddenly spoke to you in your language, you'd be pretty startled too. Being able to do well in high school without having to put in much effort is actually a big disadvantage later in life. During a nuclear explosion, there is a certain distance of the radius where all the frozen supermarket pizzas are cooked to perfection. 11 babies have been born in Antarctica, and none of them died as infants, meaning Antarctica has the lowest infant mortality rate at 0%. We do not check the refrigerator multiple times to find new food. We check to see if our standards have dropped enough to eat what was available. Being 35 and not wanting to work in the field for which you've prepared is like being halfway through an RPG and realizing you've built out your skill tree all wrong. You can't respec, and you can't make a new character, and there will never be another video game again. In one generation, we went from, watch your mouth around grandma, she's from a different time, to, don't mind all the stuff grandma says, she's from a different time. Telemarketers have basically ruined the telephone as a tool for contacting people quickly because no one bothers to answer it anymore.